In this video, I'll guide you on how to log into Coursera using your university ID. Many universities offer free access to Coursera courses through a partnership program. If your university has shared a file or direct link to access Coursera, start by opening that file or link. If you haven't received one, you can still find it by typing the name of your university in a search engine along with the word Coursera. Press Enter, and you'll likely find a PDF or web page where your university provides information about their Coursera program. Once you find the link, click on it to open your university's Coursera program page. From there, click on the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Wait until you see the option Log in with your university, and then click it. You will be asked to enter your university-provided username and password. Make sure you have these credentials ready, as they are essential for logging in. After entering your username and password, click Sign In. You will then be presented with two options. If you are new to Coursera, you can create an account on the spot. However, if you already have a Coursera account, you can link it to your university ID. By doing this, you will gain access to all the courses available through your university's partnership with Coursera.